Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just finished recording a pattern review for the mini NCW, and in that one I said I hadn't made the full size NCW, and I thought it was a bit hard to post up a review of the mini if I hadn't done the large size. So I quickly whipped up the large NC, the regular NCW wallet, and I'm just going to talk to you about the comparisons between the two. I'm not going to go in too deep of the makings of this wallet, as the constructions from these come from the same pattern. Alright, so to begin with, this is the two sizes that we're comparing. The mini and the regular. The regular is about... So the regular is about 1 3/4 the size of the mini. The regular is constructed inside the same, but your card slots go a different way. So in this one, the cards run horizontally, so they slot in that way, like a traditional wallet would. But on this one, on each side of the card slots, you get 6. So all up, you can fit 12 cards in this wallet. In the mini, you can only fit 8 cards. So an extra 4 cards in your large one. Your zipper pocket is also a ton bigger. You will fit a lot more in here. Right, then we've got this middle section, which is quite large. So I have an iPhone 11. We're going to see if we can fit this in the wallet. So that is my iPhone in the wallet. And I can actually close that up with my phone being inside there. So it does tend to pop up a little bit on one side. Once you pop your cards in here, it's going to be a lot more sturdier. I have my everyday mini NCW that I use, and when the cards are in there, it's heaps firm. It's not floppy or anything, so don't stress about that at all. So yeah, as you can see, iPhone fits really well in there, which I didn't actually think it would. So for me, this wallet is a little bit big. I do prefer smaller wallets like the mini NCW, which is my regular use. I've actually made this one for my mum as a request, as she wanted a wallet that she could fit notes into the back section. So unlike the mini, where you can't fit cash without being folded, this one you most definitely can. And again, like the mini, you've got 2 of them, one on each side of the wallet construction. Not a lot to say about this wallet, as I went over a lot of the details in the mini. Just wanted to show you the comparison between the two sizes of the wallet. So again, this pattern is the base pattern. You will need to buy the NCW mini pattern if you would like to make the mini. So that's why I decided to quickly whip up the NCW this afternoon, as I thought the review needed to be a comparison between the two when they both go up, so you get an idea of, you don't want to buy this pattern and not use this pattern. But overall, 2 great wallet patterns. I did sew this wallet on my industrial machine, but you can definitely sew it on a domestic. I do have vinyl for my outside layer and cotton for everything else. Interface as per the pattern instructions, except the flap, which I went over in the mini review. Again guys, link down below where you can buy this pattern, and also some of the tutorials that are available online that I like to follow. And let's support the bag makers in our community and purchase their awesome patterns. Alright, that's it for today guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.